Hello dear friends, if you have any YouTube channel but unfortunately if you want to delete it, then follow some very simple steps that I'm showing here in this video. But first thing first, I want to let you know one thing. You can't delete any YouTube channel from your YouTube application or from YouTube Studio. If you want to really delete your channel, first you gotta open your channel in Chrome browser or in desktop version. See how to do this. Let's get started. First open your Chrome browser. Now search here studio.youtube.com, okay? And after opening your channel in Chrome browser, first you will get this interface. And if you're opening your YouTube channel in Chrome browser or in desktop version for the first time, first you'll be asked to sign in your channel and log in your channel by entering your email ID and password. And remember one thing, even after signing into your channel, if you aren't having this kind of interface, just look at the top right corner, you'll see a three-dot icon here, so you click on it. Now see here, there is a desktop side option. First, you gotta check this box, okay? And now what to do? Let me zoom in the page a little bit. Look at the bottom left corner. You will see a setting icon here. So you click on it. Look at the left side options. Just click on channel. And now scroll left a little bit. Now you see three options here: basic information, advanced settings, and picture eligibility. Just select the middle option, advanced settings. Now scroll down a little bit. And now just below other settings, you get two options here: manage YouTube account and remove YouTube content. Just select the second option, remove YouTube content. Now you get two more options here. The first one is I want to hide my content, and the second option is I want to permanently delete my content. So just select the second option here. Now you get two boxes here. First, check these two boxes like this. Now click on delete my content. So this is the last process, and in this last process, what to do? Just copy the channel name from here and now paste it. And after pasting your channel name here in this box, if you click on delete my content, your channel will be permanently deleted. So this is how you can delete your channel permanently. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want to watch more of those kind of helpful and informative videos, then subscribe to the channel right now. See, I'll see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.